GCSE 9 to 1 maths, okay, exam preparation and revision for your upcoming papers 2 and 3, looking at iterations, okay, ideally for the Edexcel higher and the AQA higher and potentially OCR higher, okay, in roughly, okay, 5 minutes. Okay, let's do question number 1. So using x equals 0, okay, so using x0, oh, why is my thing started? Sorry, guys. Sorry, using x0 is equal to 1 and xn plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. Find x4. So the notation here looks obviously pretty horrible. Xn plus 1. Now, what does this mean? Well, all it's saying is the next term in the sequence is given by the arithmetic sequence. Okay. Oops, sorry, guys. I apologize about that. Okay. Sorry about that, okay. So let's start again. Sorry, I apologize about that. So the next term in the sequence is given by the linear sequence or the arithmetic sequence 2x plus 1. So if x0 equals 1, if we put in n equals 0, that will give us what x1 is. So x1, guys, will equal 2x0, okay, plus 1. But we know what x0 is. It's told us that x0 is equal to 1. So we just plug in x equals 1. So we have 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1 is going to be 3. So x1 is equal to 3. What about x2? Well, again, we plug in n is equal to 1. We're going to have 2x1 plus 1. Okay. All we're basically doing is multiplying the previous term by 2 and then adding 1. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is going to be 7. What about x3, guys? Well, x3, similar idea, okay? We put in n is equal to 2 into the iteration formula, okay, or iterative equation. We're going to have 2 lots of x2, so it'll be 2 times 7 is going to be 14, plus 1 is going to be 15, and then finally x4, which is what we want. X4 is going to equal, guys, to 2 lots of x3, which is 2 times 15, plus 1 is going to be 31. Okay, that's question 1 done. Okay, so, sorry if I should like messing it up there. Okay, question number 2. Using x0 equals 4, xn plus 1 equals x quarters plus 1. Find x3. So xn plus 1 equals x over 4 plus 1. To work out x3, again, step 1, put in n is equal to 1 to work out what x1 is. Okay, that will be xn or x0. So that'll be 4 over 4 plus 1, which will be 2. Because 4 quarters, 4 divided by 4 makes 1, plus 1 is going to be 2. What about x2, guys? x2, I put in n equals 1. We're going to have x1, which will be 2. So we've got 2 quarters plus 1. A half plus 1 is going to be 1.5 or 3 over 2. And then finally, guys, x3, okay, will be, when you put in n equals 2 into the iterative formula, we're going to have 1.5 over 4. So what would that be? That would be 3 halves divided by 4. So that would be 3/8 plus 1. So that would be 1 3/8. Okay, or you can write it in the decimal, 1.375. Either answer would suffice. And then lastly, guys, using x0 equals 3 and xn plus 1 equals root x plus 2, find x1, x2, x3. So again, x1 is when n equals 0. So x1 is when n equals 0, remember. We're going to have root of 3 plus 2. Okay, so leave it in exact form. 5 by 3, sorry. And then x2 would be the square root of this. Okay. Sorry guys, my keypad has been like a bit jerky. Okay, it'll be the square root of root 3 plus 2. Okay, and obviously plus 2 at the end. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, sorry guys, that's happened again. My keypad, sorry, is being very, very funny today. I apologize. Oh no. But hopefully you get the idea, guys, okay? Oh, okay. And then we got the plus 2 here. Guys, I've messed up this video. This is embarrassing. Okay, but that'll be x2, and then obviously x3. You plug in that to work out what x3 is. Okay, but that'll be it. Okay, for today's video. Okay, because that is enough embarrassment for one video. Okay, but to work out x3, you'd plug in n equals 2, so you'd have x3 equals root x2, which is there, and then plus that 2, so it'd be the square root of all this. So the square root of 3 plus 2 plus 2, and then obviously plus 2 at the end. And that would be your answer for that question, okay? Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.